One morning, Orango and Dazzy were having a chat. All of a sudden, Dazzy had an idea. Let's go scuba diving, Orango. Orango nodded in agreement, and the two friends happily got their diving gear ready together.
Wow!
Orango and Dazzy were all set. Let's go! They cheered. Orango and Dazzy arrived at the spot and were ready to swim. Orango and Dazzy had started running along the ocean floor. And at last, they reached the beautiful, sparkling ocean. It's a beautiful morning at the cozy construction site. The work site is quiet. The construction friends are still sleeping. Just then, a warning siren blared across the quiet morning. One by one, the construction trucks wake up, ready to face another exciting day of work.
Hey!
The construction friends quickly head toward the noise to find out what's going on. Oh no! The rocks are blocking the road. A giant pile of dirt is blocking the road. Bulldozer rushes in to help. He pushes and pushes, but oh no! The dirt is too hard, and he starts to slow down, tired and frustrated. Red Crane and Bulldozer rushed over to help Road Roller. Before long, the road is clear. The whole team cheers. They did it together. It was a bright and busy morning at the construction site. The orange crane truck was diligently working when... Oh, wow! A sparkling green light suddenly passed by. It was the forklift. Light, graceful, and as blue as the sky itself today.
2 hours later.
Since that day, they were often paired to work side by side. The orange crane truck had been struck by the lightning bolt of love from the forklift.
I love you.
Suddenly, the sky turned gray. The orange crane truck didn't mind getting wet, just to fetch a leaf to cover the forklift. The rain stopped. Sunlight peeked through the clouds. A brilliant rainbow stretched across the sky. They stood side by side, looking up. And maybe, just maybe, a rainbow had also appeared in their hearts. The orange crane truck was very happy. From that day on, they were never apart. They worked, laughed, and helped each other through every little challenge. Evening came. The sun glowed red in the distance. Even machines can have hearts too. Because love can bloom in the most unexpected places. It's a bright and cheerful morning at the familiar little construction site. Dump truck, forklift, and crane are having fun and singing together. Out of the blue, Forklift suggested they go on an adventure to find a secret land. Time to begin our journey. Let's roll! Together, the three friends hit the road to explore the unknown. From sunrise to sunset, the three friends journeyed on. Now they need some sleep.
Two hours later.
After a long night's sleep, the sun had finally risen. Dump truck, forklift, and crane had all woken up. Onward, friends! Let's keep going! At last, the three friends arrived in a brand new land. It was a peaceful morning at the construction yard. The crane truck rolled over to where the dump truck was parked. Hey! They are talking to each other.
Hello.
But then, wee-oh! The alarm sounded. Right away, the vehicles started their engines and rolled into action.
2 hours later.
When they arrived, the team discovered that the tree had partially fallen into the river. Broken wood, scattered stones. What a mess! That didn't stop our team. Each vehicle got right to work. The dump truck turned around to catch the logs, and the crane truck got ready to lift the broken ones. The crane truck finished lifting all the broken logs onto the dump truck. Now it's time for the dump truck and the crane truck to head back to their base. Hooray! The crane truck and the dump truck did an amazing job and finished their mission. On a sunny morning in the fairy garden, after a big storm, the red crane truck and the orange crane truck are sleeping soundly.
Oh,
When they woke up, they were surprised. Many trees were broken and lying on the ground. The garden was badly damaged. Now, the red and orange crane trucks are working together to clean up the fallen branches. The red and orange crane trucks agreed to search for new trees to replant in the garden. They drove into the rainy forest, but everything was dark and wet. The two crane trucks were frightened.
What?
They slowly moved into the forest, where a thick fog covered everything around them. Huh? The red and orange crane trucks agreed to search for new trees to replant in the garden.